Hello everyone, happy Saturday. So today's video is going to be my July beauty favorites, basically everything that I'm loving for the month of July. I've got a good range of products here and a bunch of new ones that I haven't talked about before, so I'm super stoked about that. Also on my Life of Maddie channel, I upload every Sunday over there at 6 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, and I'm doing my July toddler favorites over there, so definitely go check that one out. And give this video a thumbs up, comment down below what are your July favorites, and let's get into it. All right, so the first product that I have here is this new one from Tatcha that I've been using every day since I unboxed it in a PR unboxing. This is the Tatcha the Indigo Cleansing Balm. It's absolutely amazing. It does such a great job at removing your makeup. It comes and you have like a little spatula you can dig in there, but it removes makeup so well, so easily. Doesn't leave a residue. It leaves your skin feeling great. I love it. I think this one is awesome. They hit it out of the park with it. I wish that it was a little bit bigger, but I'm obsessed and I have been really enjoying it. I've been using it every night since. Okay, so sticking with Tatcha, I have been obsessed with this guy right here. This is the Tatcha Indigo Overnight Repair. I believe on Tatcha's website you can get these as a duo set. So good, you guys. Oh my goodness, it's really good if you've got redness in your skin, uneven skin texture, dryness. It is absolutely amazing. It's great anti-aging serum like moisturizer. Seriously, super, super hydrating. It's also very thick, so that's why I love it for the nighttime, because I feel like my skin just like soaks it in and it feels so balanced the next morning. Like I don't feel greasy the next morning or anything. My skin just feels balanced, like no oil production, nothing, like everything is just even, and it does such an amazing job. It's great for normal dry combination oily skin. I know a lot of people will get scared using a very thick moisturizer for nighttime, especially if you have oily skin, but it's actually really good for you because like I said, it balances your skin out. Sometimes if you're producing way too much oil, that means that your skin is too dry and too parched and it needs more. So if you add in more moisture, you'll find that your skin will actually, like that oil production will go down and it will just even out. And the stuff is awesome for that. It's a serum and moisturizer treatment that visibly calms irritation, strengthens skin barrier, and balances the microbiome for a healthy, hydrated glow. This is an awesome product for the summertime. If you're out in the sun a lot, if you're going to the beach, going to the pool, it does some wear on your skin. This is a great product to use at the nighttime to help get it better and hydrated and moisturized. So definitely recommend checking this one out. I've used quite a bit of it and I'm obsessed. Okay, so next up I have a face mask here. This one is from Somerville. It's her Mega C 30% Vitamin C Brightening Facial. I love this one. When I notice that my skin is a little dull looking, or if I got some acne scarring or something from a previous breakout, I love to go in with this guy and it's so good. I used to brush with it. It's awesome. You basically use it in the AM or PM. You use it 1 to 2 times a week. Apply a thin, even layer on the clean, dry skin. Allow the product to sit on the skin for up to 20 minutes before washing. So I literally do this at the end of the night and I'll wash my face, everything. I'll go in with this guy, put this on my face, and I'll sit down, watch a show or scroll on my phone, do some work for about 20-30 minutes. I honestly, I sit in it probably longer than that. Then I wash it off with a warm washcloth, and I go in with like an essence and then like my serums and then this guy. This stuff is amazing. I do feel like it really brightens and kind of revives the skin. Okay, so as you know, we are in the summertime. I am a big sunscreen girl right now because I'm in the sun a lot, so I really want to be using a ton of SPF. So I keep a lot of it in my drawer, my everyday makeup drawer, so I make sure I put it on my body, especially my chest, my shoulders, my face, my neck, everything in the beginning of the day. And the one that I've been loving right here is from First Aid Beauty. I love First Aid Beauty products. If you've got sensitive skin, definitely check them out. This is the Weightless Liquid Mineral Sunscreen with zinc oxide. It has an SPF of 30 and it's safe for sensitive skin. This little guy right here, you just shake it up, has a little like dropper-like bottle, and it has a little bit of a tint to it, but honestly, when you put it on your skin, it fades away, but it goes really nice underneath makeup. It's very nice and thin, like it's true, it's weightless liquid, so it doesn't give you that greasy feeling of a sunscreen, and it doesn't make your makeup slip and slide around, which is why I really like it. This is been awesome for the summertime right now. And then next up with the lip balm that I'm almost out of, you guys will probably see this in a future empties. This is the Naturium Phyto-Glow lip balm in clear. I believe they have different ones. I love this one. I really love the applicator to it. It makes it so easy to come out, and it leaves a really pretty, just, you know, moisturized, hydrated lip glossiness to your lips. So this is a great product to have in your purse for out and about. I like to put this on when I am starting to do my makeup. So I come in here and I do a moisturizer here in the morning. I use my Tatcha one, and then I put a lip balm on, and then I do my eye cream, and then I go in with my makeup. So that way my lips are getting hydrated during the process of me doing my makeup. And I've been really enjoying the Naturium one, and it's also very affordable too, and you can get it at Target. Now going into some body care right here. So I unboxed these in a recent PR haul. I think, was it the other weekend? But we have been obsessed with these, you guys. These are so much fun with the kids. I've been loving it in my shower. I have the sensitive one for them in their shower, and the girls are obsessed. So it's literally looks like she could be shaving cream or like whipped cream, to be honest. When it comes out, it's like shaving cream, but it reminds me a little bit of whipped cream. And the girls have so much fun with it. I have them get their little washcloths, and then I give them like a little dollop of it, and they love it. Kinsley last night was so cute. She had her little like washcloth, and she's like, "Mommy, more please, more." And because she just had so much fun with it, so I would do like a tiny little bit, and then she'd wash her body with it, and it made it so much fun for them. And the smells are also really good too. So I've got the sensitive for them. I have the Sweet Talk one, which is a little bit more fruity. I also have the green one in my shower. So this is the one I have for my bathtub. I have a green one for my shower. That one smells really, really good. I forgot the scent of it though, but I remember that one smells very good too. So these are super, super fun and also great for the kiddos. Okay, so before we get into makeup, I wanna talk about these hair ties right here. So my mom was doing Riley's hair like one day that we took her swimming over at their house, and she put a hair tie in her hair, and I saw it and I took it out that night, and I was like, oh my God, this is a really nice hair tie. Like, it doesn't pull, it doesn't tug or anything. And then I ended up stealing it. So I was wearing it nonstop. And then I lost it. I had it on my wrist, and I think it came off with one of my sweatshirts or whatnot, and I could not find it anywhere. I was like, oh my God, I want this back so bad. And I was walking through Nordstrom's the other day, and they had them there. So I should just ask my mom for more, but I was at Nordstrom's, they had them there. They even had them on the Nordstrom anniversary sale, which I don't know if it's still going on right now. But these are not cheap hair ties, but oh my God, they are amazing. They don't leave a crease in your hair. They don't tug and pull. It's great for people with extensions, great for kids. They're so good. They're from this brand called Slip, which is, they're known for their pillowcases and stuff and their eye mask and all that. And they came out with hair ties, and I'm obsessed. I just love them. So if you got a little one that's like very picky about hair ties and like pulling them out of the hair and how they bother them, you definitely need to check these out. I know they're not cheap. I think it was $44 for a value of $65, which is a lot for hair ties, but they're so worth it. And I could not live without it. Like, once I had it and then I lost it, I was like, oh my God, I miss this hair tie. Like, I would put other hair ties in my hair. I'm like, these suck. I need these ones back. And so yeah, these are a huge hit. I'm obsessed. I will forever, ever keep you. I do not want to lose them again. So yeah, definitely a huge like must have for me. Okay, so next up is a foundation, and this baby has been around for a very long time. I think it's been around since like 2013 or something is what I found online last night, because someone was saying like it hasn't been around that long, and I'm like, no, it has. It's been around for a while. And this is the IT Cosmetics CC Plus Color Correcting Full Coverage Cream, SPF 50. Oh my gosh, they have this in so many different versions. This is the original one. They've got it in a matte one, illuminating one. I went to an IT Cosmetics event at Disneyland for one of the versions of their CC cream. I forgot which one it was, but I remember going, that was like one of the most best trips ever. It was so much fun. But they sent this over with their dual under brush, which is amazing. I've raved about that one for years. That's a must have. But they sent this one over because they launched new shades, and they sent over neutral tan, and it works perfectly for me. And I've been obsessed with it since. I've been wearing it every single day. It has been holding up so well with my pickleball days because it's been so hot outside, you guys. I think today it's gonna be 87. And then on the courts, it's like 5 to 10 degrees hotter. And this stuff does not crease on me. It does not come off. It does not crease right here on me like my other foundations were doing. It holds up in this heat. And then it also protects my skin with that SPF 50. So I have been obsessed. I know I liked this one in the past, but my skin type was very different back then. Now that I've gotten older and things have changed, I had kids, that did a big change on my skin. And this stuff sits even more beautifully on me now, and I am hooked. I love it. I'm using it every single day. And again, just the way that it is wearing on my face, like after playing 2 to 3 hours of pickleball in like 90-degree weather, this thing has been tested and it is awesome. So definitely if you're looking for a new like summer sunscreen, it's got sunscreen in it, but if you're looking for a new summer foundation, use this baby. You can use a little bit, will go a long way. Use it with a little bit of beauty sponge. Just use a light coverage with it because it can get to full coverage. If you want more coverage, use a brush. This has been a lifesaver for me. I'm hooked. I'm back and hooked on it. Okay, so next up is a blush, and this is a blush that I've been wearing nonstop, and this stuff is so beautiful. This is from Makeup by Mario. It's the Soft Pop Plumping Blush Veil in Perfect Pink. It's such a pretty pink. I just go right in with a flat like kabuki brush and I use it, but it's such a pretty pink. I love this one for the summertime. It makes it so easy to apply with just a brush, and it stays on really well. So I've been wearing this one nonstop lately, and I've been using it with the Makeup by Mario, their bronzer version of this too, which has been really great as well. But I definitely want to pick up more shades of this one. Again, this shade is called Perfect Pink. All right, so last but not least, I have 2 lipsticks for you guys. These ones are from Lunar Beauty and Laura Lee. As you guys know, Laura and Mandy, they did a collab. They came out with the most 2 beautiful lipsticks ever. Like, these have been lipsticks I've been wearing non-stop. And the first one I want to show you is called Mara, and this is what it looks like right here. I love their packaging that they did with it. This one's beautiful pinky nude right here. As you guys know, like, I'm obsessed with the pinky nudes, the petal pinks. It's my favorite lip color, and so I've just been going right to these like non-stop lately. The other shade that they have is called Lanny. Lanny is a more of a nudie pink, which is stunning. I love both of these. They're so beautiful, great for every day, great for nighttime. I use a little bit of a darker lip liner with them. I'll go in like the Too Faced ones, the extreme ones, and I think like Puffy Pink and even some of their deeper ones, and I outline the outside of my lips and I shade it in, and then I fill in the center with this and I blend it out, and it gives you that really pouty look, which is really pretty. I'm obsessed. They're such a pretty color, and I just love how wearable they are. And the formula is amazing as well. It wears beautifully throughout the day, not drying, it's moisturizing, and it's just perfection. They killed it with these lipsticks. So again, another one that I've been using nonstop. All right, so those were all my July beauty favorites this month. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Everything that I talked about is linked down below so you can get a closer look at it. If I've got any discount codes to anything, I will have it down below next to the links as well. Comment down below what are your July beauty favorites. I would love to hear from you guys. Give the video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys all for my PR unboxing next Saturday. Bye.